heading up for a wee wild camp. And today we are in the Lake District, heading for Red Screes from Kirkstone Pass. Busy down there, but hopefully not too busy up here. So just heading up, quick one after work. Shouldn't be at the top in too long a time, so should be fine. Looking forward to this. First time out really since we got back from the Dolomites, so looking forward to it. Good wee one to get me going. And in this area of the Central Fells, I think that it's those two, Red Screes and Red Screes Middle Dod, and another one that's just totally escaped me, that I need to do. So not many to do until I complete this area, which is cool. So I'm going to crack on up, and I'll catch up later on. Oh well, a slightly disappointing. We're now up into the cloud base. What we at? About 650, so probably on about 120 metres or so to the top. So that's good. Made good progress from quite a high start at Kirkstone Pass. So we're up through the Clunshaw chimney. Funky name. Nice. Not just a flat walk. It's quite good. It's not a scramble or anything like, but it's decent enough to keep you interested. So that's us just making our way up. The path goes for a very short period of time, and then you pick it up easy enough, as you just saw. So, gonna crack on. A couple of people behind me, but looks like they're not coming up any further. No view to speak of really, but hey ho, who cares? Let's get there. me at the summit of Red Screes. It took me about an hour, and I'm now at the turn, Red Screes turn. I don't think there is anybody else around. Even if there is, this is where we're pitching. Somebody here, so we're going to have a wee wander about and see what's going on. I think she will keep me company tonight. Not in that way. I'm just going to wee walk around here, see where the flat spots are, and see what we're doing. Well, that's us. We are. We've been at the summit for a while actually. What's it now? 9 o'clock. Just been faffing really, because summer life's great life when you've got really not that much to do, isn't it? So anyway, that's what it is. I'm just being kept company from the sheep. But even they've moved off a little bit. Summit of Red Screes is over that direction there. That's a little tarn, that's not Red Screes tarn. Red Screes tarn's over a bit more. But I've just decided to come over. For what wind there was, it was just a little bit more sheltered, so I'm quite happy with that. So got some chilli and rice on today. I'm looking forward to it actually. It's just boiling away just now, so it won't be too long. And it's really getting quite. It'll probably be looking quite light in the background, but no, it's actually getting quite grey and really closing in. So we'll see what happens. There we go, there's the setup. Didn't talk about that on the way up. My first wild camp in the 4 class, so the MT900. It's a 2-person tarp, so just using my walking poles to keep that high. Good headroom in it for me. Great length, one of the reasons I got it. And really nowhere when I'm inside it am I touching the roof. I mean, you can see it looks pretty wide from that angle, doesn't it? Pretty awesome. It's not a bad pitch, by the way. Didn't take me much to get that done. So this is it. As you can see, I've got one side open. The wee stove's going. Great. I've got the vents open. Just in case, got the little extra guy line on the front there. It's got my t-shirt on and drying in the wind, but probably picking up a bit of moisture actually. But anyway, that's it all the way around. Very decent. Actually, I'm really impressed with it. I really like it so far. It's awesome. So we'll see how we get on tonight in it. But I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, on to getting some done. Well, just sitting having my chilli and rice, and well, you can just see the tent over my shoulder there, and amazing that you can actually see it now because the cloud has just lifted and blown right through. And, I came over to the edge just to have a wee look at what was going on. Oh wow! I've got a wee treat for being patient. Yeah. It is morning time. It's around 5:10, and I'm up and about. Woke up about 4:30. Had a good sleep. People on and off through the night, but that's how it sometimes is. It's been good. It was really still at one point through the night, and the wind only just picked up in little gusts just there when I woke up first off, but it's been absolutely fine. No rain, said it wasn't gonna. I've tried a new weather app for this one as well. YR. So it's good. I don't actually know what that stands for. Your radar would be quite good or something like that, wouldn't it? But anyway, there we go. Don't know what it is. But it's been pretty decent actually. It was pretty spot on, and it's got some good summits as well. Probably better summits than the Met Office. But I'm still using Emless as my main one and things, so that'll not change really. But I just thought I'd give another one a go just because the forecasts have been so varied and difficult for platforms to get it right, so that's that. Anyway, so first night out on a hill in the MT900, the two-man tap tent from Forclaz and Decathlon. Good price, good last night, but I am aware that I've not really had much wind, but they do say that they test it in a wind tunnel and things, and I like the fact that it is tested by walkers, by climbers, like that. Anyway, scenery this morning is fantastic, and it's nice and clear, opposite from last night, but that's a view behind me, tremendous. And over behind me here to the summit trig of Red Screes, with some lovely light starting to come up now, and then back out towards the coast in the tent. Wow. Fell and all that. The sun popped its face above the cloud, and wow, what a sunrise that was. Beauty. So got some good stills of it, so I think we'll have nice sunrise shots there, and also got a bit of video on it as well, so it's really stunning what nature can do. Fantastic stuff, and some pretty dramatic views from Red Screes behind. Beautiful. Up to Red Screes summit there, over in distance, and then down. Yeah, fantastic ridge line and the crags. Absolutely stunning moment to be out here. What a pic. Beautiful. that's us just, we're basically down the Kilnshaw chimney, having a wee look around for the broad stone, but we're in a cracking area here, and I think it's going to be another great day in the lakes. Look at this behind me. Wowza. Fantastic. A couple of fell runners. Oh no, it's only one fell runner. There's a couple of herdies in front of them who are very good fell runners. Anyway, that's it for today. I am jumping in the car and heading back to get freshened up before a day in the office. Anyway, as that's us for the day, all that's left for me to say is thanks for joining me on this mini adventure, and I really look forward to seeing you again on the channel. Hope you enjoy what you see, and if you've watched this far, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.